Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're gonna go back to the last painting we did, which was a dirty pouring. But what we did was to try and reproduce some kind of a figure. This time I think we're gonna let the paint work by itself, since we're gonna see what happens and what we see in the canvas, on the paint. So we're gonna accentuate the form to define what we see. So we'll see what happens. This time I'm gonna use a lot of silicone because I want to have some big cells, and I'm gonna burn it afterwards. So we'll see what happens. And guys, I wanted to talk to you about something. In the next year I'm gonna go to Europe. So I know that all my videos are free and they're gonna stay that way, but if you want to give me some kind of support, you can go on my Patreon that you're gonna see on the bottom of this video, and you can also to support me and support my channel to help us create, because as you know there's a lot of money involved in editing and doing everything we do. So I do it by passion, that's for sure, but you know, we cannot live on love and water only, that's for sure. So guys, if you feel like it, but you're not obliged to, you can go and buy some kind of thing that we sell on our website, or of course you can continue to see our video as is. Just leave us a thumbs up, that would be great also. So guys, let's go see what happens and we'll talk afterwards. we're back. So guys, I think the result is great, but like always, I did put a little too much acrylic on my canvas. What's going to happen, since my canvas is not quite level, unfortunately, like you saw, I hope you saw the same thing as I did, the kind of bird, if you want. I tried to accentuate the lines, but like I said, I put a little too much acrylic like always, and well, I like to have it more than less, but of course it changed because it's gonna go over the side because there's a lot of it. So I think at the end of it we won't see a bird. I'm not sure about it, but I think it's gonna change, and you see it because I just finished it, so it's changing, but I can see that my bird is flying away. Nice word that. So anyway guys, I hope you're gonna try it. Well, as you saw, if you wanted to recreate what I did, just put a little bit less of acrylic, that's for sure. You don't need that much, but I always like it because, you know, when you put a lot of it, as time passes, it's changed, and it's changed quite a lot. So that's what I like about it, but like I said, it's subjective. You can do as you wish, because if you don't like it, you go over it, or you're gonna try again, that's for sure. And with our latex paint, I think it's worth it because it's not expensive. We buy it by the gallon, so what the heck. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope, like I said, you're going to try it. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you in the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.